Skincare Regimen, a guide to healthy skin. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English learning series. Today, we're going to explore a very common term in the beauty and health industry: skincare regimen. Understanding this phrase is not only about learning new words but also about getting familiar with a daily routine many people follow. Let's dive into what skincare regimen means and why it's important. The phrase skincare regimen refers to a systematic plan or routine aimed at achieving and maintaining healthy skin. Let's break down this phrase. Skincare. This is a compound word. Skin refers to the outer covering of the body, and care implies looking after or taking care of something. So, skincare is about taking care of your skin. Regimen. This word means a planned routine or set of rules. In the context of skincare, it refers to a specific set of steps followed regularly for skin health. Combining these, a skincare regimen is a routine that involves various products and practices to keep the skin healthy and address specific skin concerns. A typical skincare regimen might include several steps, each with its own purpose. Let's look at some common components. 1. Cleansing. This is the first step, involving washing your face to remove dirt, oil, and makeup. 2. Toning. Applied after cleansing. Toners help to remove any leftover impurities and balance the skin's pH. 3. Moisturizing. This step involves applying a moisturizer to hydrate the skin and lock in moisture. 4. Sun protection. Applying sunscreen is crucial to protect the skin from harmful UV rays. 5. Treatment products. These can include serums, masks, or creams targeted at specific skin issues like acne or wrinkles. Remember, the specific steps and products in a skincare regimen can vary depending on individual skin types and needs. Having a skincare regimen is vital for several reasons. Maintains skin health. Regular care helps to keep the skin in good condition. Prevents skin problems. Addressing issues early with a routine can prevent them from worsening. Personal wellness. A skincare regimen can be a form of self-care, contributing to overall well-being. We hope this video has helped you understand what a skincare regimen is and why it's important in everyday life. Remember, a good skincare routine is not just about beauty, it's about health and self-care. Until our next lesson, keep practicing your English and take good care of your skin.